Socializing 72. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over a thing which people generally complain about, especially parents. During a person's youth, due to a lack of responsibilities and sharing a common daily schedule, such as attending the same school, people form strong and close bonds with others, such as siblings or friends. But with the passing of time, as the responsibilities of people increase and differ, and due to changes in their daily schedule, people adopt different characteristics. This causes the bonds between them to weaken, and in some cases, they become quite distant from one another. This is often observed in homes which have many siblings or amongst friends. It is important to understand that Allah, the Exalted, created each person with their own unique path in life, which is different from others. This is a sign of His infinite power. Billions of people, yet no two paths are the same. The differences in these paths are the main cause why people drift apart from each other. Best friends become friends only by name. Close siblings become emotionally distant from one another. This is a part of destiny and is truly inevitable. It is important to understand this point, as some people can become ungrateful to Allah, the Exalted, because of it. They dislike the changes in their lives, which lead to the changes in their relationships with others. But these changes in their lives are something Allah, the Exalted, chose, so disliking them is disliking the choice of Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim should instead see things in a positive way. Meaning, they should have hope that one day, in the hereafter, the strong fellowship they once shared with someone will once again be forged, but to a much higher and unbreakable level. This hope should inspire a Muslim to be more obedient to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, knowing that this outcome will only be granted to His obedient servants. In addition, it will cause a Muslim to desire and supplicate for their companion to also strive harder in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. This is a righteous deed according to a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 1534. They will also be rewarded for acting on the narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2515. It advises that a person cannot be a true believer until they love for others what they love for themselves. So adopting this mentality will help a Muslim to avoid ingratitude, strive harder in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and gain more reward, all the while hoping they will once again be blessed with a strong bond they once shared with their companion. Chapter 15 Al-Hijr, verse 47.
And we will remove whatever is in their breasts of resentment, so they will be brothers on thrones facing each other.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.